Hello and welcome. My name is Marquise Weatherall, and I'm a current student at Norbert College. And here, this is Mary Minahan McCormick Hall, also known as 3M. Now, here at St. Norbert, it is required to live here for all 4 years, but we have plenty of wonderful options to choose from, such as here, 3M. And now, to begin, I would like to point out the bathroom. Not only you get to share this bathroom with you and your roommate, you get to share with 2 other people across from it. And also, it'll be very nice to have your own bathroom, but as you know, you should clean it yourself. The next thing I like to point out is the sink. Now, with the sink, you can definitely do dishes, you can wash your face, you can get ready for bed, brush your teeth, and lots more. So, you get to have your own sink in your own room. Now, other things I like to point out is we do have a recreational basement, such as foosball. We have wonderful lounge space, a wonderful TV, a communal kitchen, and a wide view of the Fox River. Also, we do have a wonderful laundry room right next to it, and laundry is free, so you can definitely do your clothes, wash your clothes, and dry your clothes. So it's very beneficial. Now here at 3M, things that are included is a sink, closet space, pantry space, and your own beds. You can either have beds bunked or lofted, but after that, you can definitely bring a lot of things that you can make your own. Such as here, this TV for entertainment purposes, great cabinet space to store your food or your other things that you would like to have. You can definitely have your own coffee maker. Oh, the smell of coffee is very wonderful. You can definitely make it in the morning to get ready for classes. You can definitely have your lamp. And as I mentioned for beds, you can definitely design it your own way. And for this purpose, you can definitely have beds bunked, so that way you have way more space in your room. You can definitely have your own futon in your room as well, which is very beneficial. Also, I like to point out, you can definitely have your microwave and your fridge. And you can definitely have in your own room. Other things you can't have is open flames such as candles and toasters. So that's very dangerous. Also, you have wonderful, awesome closet space on this side and on the other side. Now let me tell you, when I lived here my freshman year, I had fit in a longboard, an African drum, and a cruiser, and I still had space. So your choice will be very, very, very wonderful to have lots of clothes and lots of shoes to put in. And also, we do have our 2 wonderful ladies that are in this room, Abby and Maddie. Would you like to say hi?
Hi.
So here at 3M, you have wonderful options to have your own unique room, and the choice is yours. Also, if you have any questions, you can definitely contact us. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day.